Hi, and welcome to Knit for Brains. This is Kimberly, and Happy New Year. I'll probably say that a few times before this month is done. So I wanted to come with you today. I am going to do a preliminary review on a kit that I just bought. And the reason I say it's preliminary is because I just finished the Crochet Kit for Friends. I just pushed it away somewhere. I think I cast it away somewhere. I was really over it. And before I finished the pattern, because I was so enamored with it, and our dear, beautiful Betty White passed away December 31st. And I'm a huge Golden Girls fan. Love Golden Girls. It is my go-to feel-good show. I don't know how many times I've watched it. I laugh every single time. And I mean, she lived to be 99. God bless her. I hope that all of us get to live to be 99 or 100. But it was really sad for me. So I have brought my little Golden Girl memorabilia out. This is actually my second of these little bags. And I love it. And I can't even tell you how many compliments I get on it. I found it on Amazon. I will actually include the link if you're interested. But I put like my keys and my wallet and my cell phone in here, so I'm just running off to the store. Or if I'm changing purses, I just go ahead and grab it, and I know I just have to see my Golden Girls, and then but I get compliments all the time. So I had this. My son gave me this for Christmas last year, which I do like. It's a lot of fun, very similar to Monopoly, but of course you're playing with the lanai and the kitchen and cheesecake and all that stuff. It is a fun game, so if you're interested in this, I'd recommend it. The only thing is that for old eyes, it's kind of hard to see. The print is smaller than the original Monopoly game, and it's a lighter color. Other than that, you know, it's pretty standard, but it's really kind of fun and cute. And if you are a fan of Golden Girls and you've watched the episodes, a lot of the things that you'll find in this game will come true. So this is my little tribute to the Golden Girls, I guess. That's what this segment's going to be. How does this tie into crochet, you wonder? Well, of course, who doesn't like to crochet watching the Golden Girls? So I saw this kit and I thought, oh my goodness, I have to do that, right? And this is, if you're familiar with Alison Hoffman, she's the creator of these kits. She has a whole series of them. She has them on Star Wars, I think Star Trek, The Office, Frozen, Grogu, the little Yoda baby. I just did the Friends Crochet Kit. And so before I finished that one, I bought this one. I was not impressed with the Friends Crochet Kit. So I don't have high hopes for this one. But you'll be proud of me. I did my research because I was disappointed with the Friends kit that it has all the characters on the front of the kit, but they only give you the supplies to make the couch and the turkey. So I knew going into it, this one here, it says it includes 10 crochet patterns, but it includes materials to make Sophia. That's the key. They only give you the supplies to make one of the characters. Now I ordered this on Amazon, and this is obviously a used kit. I didn't think I was ordering a used kit because these things are $24, $25. So, but you've got, and I remember the kit actually being smaller, so I really do think this is like an earlier edition. But you get all the patterns in here. This is, you get Sophia and Dorothy. And then you get, you get your Blanche, and you're going to get your Rose. I think you get the teddy bear with one ear, which is really cute. And I think, of course, you're going to get a cheesecake because you can't have the Golden Girls without a cheesecake. So, and this is, which one is it supposed to be? Golly, who is that supposed to be? Because it's not a good, is it really supposed to be Sophia? Oh, it's supposed to be, oh, not impressed. This is Rose. This is supposed to be Rose. Anyways, but then in here, you get all the supplies. Now, I said in the Friends kit that the yarn that they gave you was scratchy and really, it was just nasty yarn. Bad yarn. This one, the yarns actually feel softer. Okay, so that's a plus. And they all come in the little opening here. So that is a plus. This is definitely a used kit, or a banged up. It's been around for a while. So these are all the materials that you get, okay? And this is to make the Sophia. And then in here you got little barbed wire to make her glasses. You have to do her glasses, and it's got beads to make her little, the handle of her purse. And I think it also gives you the eyes. It looks like it gives you the eyes. Yes, it does as well. Now, the Friends Kit didn't give you any eyes, so that's another thing. You have to go and buy the eyes for the Friends Kit. Okay, for $25, I think I expect a little bit more. Sorry, I'm not cheap. I will pay fair game, but I just think that was a good value for your money. This kit may be a little bit better. So you get 1, 2, but these aren't full skeins. I mean, these are not even 50 grams. These are tiny things, right? You get these 2. This is, I'm assuming, the whole body. So this peach color for Sophia. You get the brown for her purse. You get the blue for her dress. This is for her shoes. And this is for her hair. And this is for the sweater that goes over her dress. And then of course you get all the little things in here. So we'll see when I have nothing else better to do. Maybe a good way to do these kits is to binge watch your favorite show, obviously being the Golden Girls, or if you're going to do the Friends Kit or Star Wars or whatever, and then you can work on these while you're doing the kit. Maybe that's a nice way to do it. So this is my preliminary review. This is the unboxing, if you will, of the Golden Girls crochet. And I will do another one when I'm finished. Hopefully the patterns will not be as bad as in the Friends kit, because there was a lot of mistakes in the Friends kit. So hopefully this won't be as mistake ridden, although this is an earlier kit. I can see that. So anyways, that's my unboxing of the Golden Girls crochet kit with all the materials included to make Sophia and the instruction booklet. Okay, so if you bought this and you've already started it, comment below, let me know what you think, or if you've done any of the other kits, please comment below, because there's a whole library of these, and it's cute, right? It's got a gimmick, but I'm not sure if I'm really into the gimmicks, but I love Golden Girls. Love, love, love my Golden Girls. So we'll let you know how this one goes. All right, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, because I am going to be putting out a lot more content on a weekly basis. My life has changed a little bit, and so all for the better for you and me and our Knit for Brains YouTube channel. So I will be around a lot more, pushing out some hopefully good, interesting content for all of us. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I will be back soon with more of an update on this.